Good morning, William. See you hard at work? Keep doing what you're doing. Don't mind me. We're just documenting things for posterity. You will notice that William is standing up all by himself. There's no one actually in the exerciser. He's standing next to the exerciser. Well, what is it? What is it? Would you like those to come off of there? Because they're kind of supposed to stay attached. Although I bet you'll try. Lots to do this morning. It's a busy morning. And this is William Alderdice and his dad signing off from the kitchen.